Welcome to a child and environment-friendly school, a school of excellence, Ferlou Elementary School. Ferlou Elementary School is an educational center of excellence where every Filipino child discovers full potential in a child-centered, value-driven, God-loving, and environment-friendly institution that develop an enlightened, responsible, and productive citizen, respected and valued in that community. It is situated at Hacienda Ferlou, Barangay La Granja, La Carlota City. Ferlou is 7 kilometers away from the main city of La Carlota and surrounded by sugarcane plantations. It was in 1963 that the first primary education was formally established in the place after Antonio Hugo and his siblings generously donated the 1,000 square meter lot intended for learning engagement. A rising numbers of infrastructure were facilitated by School 10 buildings with 19 educational room facilities that cater a rising number of learners. It is our school's mission to produce globally competitive individuals which are academically inclined and values-oriented and morally upright individuals. Our school takes measures on developing our learners to be environmental natives that willing to protect and preserve the environment with all means by participating in school's different environmental programs such as tree planting, clean-up drives, water recycling, proper waste disposing through 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and rejuvenate. Outreach programs were also initiated through the support of our benefactors and LGUs. For health services, the school offers programs and services that caters all the learners' health concerns. The school conducted deworming, medical and dental missions, and school-based immunizations, and on-time weighing to identify beneficiaries of school feeding program through partnership with DepEd, BHW, and health workers in the city. The Gulayan sa Paaralan were sustained by the school 4-piece beneficiaries with cooperation of the EPP Club through the guidance of their EPP teachers. Different vegetables were managed to grow, and vegetables harvested from our food production area were used to feed learners who were identified as wasted and severely wasted learners through school-based feeding program. For DRRM initiatives, the school always reiterate the importance of safety that are geared towards disaster preparedness. All schools are mandated to form DRRM team which will be responsible for school preparedness during disasters. The school participated in National Simultaneous Disaster Drill quarterly. Modern technology has been growing quickly these days. Technology execution at schools operates progress from the traditional techniques of teaching into the present modern-day techniques that can give their students a chance to be acquainted with educational diversions balanced by their educator. The school seemed to be lucky since we are a beneficiary of DCP program of DepEd for batches 24 and 40. The school has a laboratory room intended for these batches in which teachers and learners are free to access and use for educational purposes. The school received numerous awards as fruit of learners' and teachers' efforts in any strengths. The school able to excel in all competitions in academics, sports, extracurricular activities, and other prestigious contests in different levels. The division level. Provincial level. And the regional level. These are the awards received by the school for the last 3 years. Gold and Silver Awardee for Small Schools category and the Division of La Carlota City. All these awards will not be possible without the undying support of our dear Principal Mrs. Jemima M. Obilidon, together with the teaching force of Ferlou Elementary School, learners, parents, LGUs, and all the benefactor of the school. Together, we can say, Boilo, Ferlou,